Hello, woodworking maestros and craft enthusiasts. I'm your edge banding virtuoso, and I've been smoothing out the world of woodworking with machines for over a decade. Today, we're rolling through the workshop with the top 5 edge banding machines of 2024. If you're all about perfecting the finish, embracing efficiency, and doing it with the latest in woodworking technology, you're in for a treat. But before we edge into these fantastic machines, make sure to check the links in the description for more woodworking wisdom. Give that like button a little woodworking love. Don't forget to subscribe and join our crafting community. And of course, activate that notification bell so you're the first to know about the latest in woodworking tech and reviews. Now, let's smooth out your craftsmanship with these top edge banding machines. Starting at number 5, Bort Edge Banding Machine. The Bort Edge Banding Machine is a mini, handheld powerhouse for edge banding tasks. Weighing only 15 kg, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver. With a power of 800 Dewey and a size of 500 and 3,027 centimeters, it's designed for simplicity and efficiency. The 220 V voltage makes it suitable for household use. Whether you're a hobbyist working on small projects or need a portable solution for occasional tasks, the Bort Edge Banding Machine offers a compact and convenient option. Its multifunctionality and ease of use make it a great choice for those looking for a straightforward solution to edge banding needs. At number 4, Katumi Edge Banding Machine. The Katumi Edge Banding Machine is a household gem for small-scale tape binding tasks. Weighing 22 kg, it strikes a balance between stability and portability. The self-feeding belt breakage method and a glue capacity of 1,000 ml make it a convenient and efficient choice for household applications. With an edge width handling capacity of 660 mm, it caters to a variety of tasks. The machine's automatic tape breaking feature adds to its user-friendly design, making it accessible for users with varying levels of experience. For households or small workshops in need of a reliable and compact edge banding solution, the Katumi Edge Banding Machine fits the bill. At number 3, 1,200 Dewey Manual Edge Banding Machine. The 1,200 Dewey Manual Edge Banding Machine is designed for precision in woodworking projects. With parameters like electronic speed control, straight and curved edge shapes, and a temperature control range of 150 to 180 degrees Celsius, it provides a tailored approach to edge banding. The 1,000 ml glue capacity and a continuous working time of less than 12 hours make it suitable for various applications. The package includes optional accessories like an edge cutter and trimmer, adding to its versatility. Woodworkers seeking manual control and customization in edge banding will find this machine a valuable addition to their toolkit. At number 2, 220 V 1,200 Dewey Edge Banding Machine. For home improvement and woodworking projects, the 220 V 1,200 Dewey Edge Banding Machine is a versatile companion. Weighing just 15 kg, it's lightweight and portable. The 1,000 ml glue capacity and double-sided gluing method ensure optimal performance. It can efficiently handle edge banding widths from 660 mm, and the automatic band breaking feature adds to its user-friendly design. The body's compact size of 500,300,250 mm makes it suitable for smaller workspaces. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast or a hobbyist, this machine offers a convenient and efficient solution for your edge banding needs. At number 1, LIGANK TS500 Edge Banding Machine. The LIGANK Edge Banding Machine is a woodworking marvel. With its double-sided gluing capability, it seamlessly binds edges, providing a professional finish to your woodworking projects. The 1,200 Dewey power and 1,000 ml glue capacity make it efficient for continuous work, and the edge sealing speed of 26 meters/min ensures a quick yet precise application. The machine's versatility is evident in its ability to handle edge thickness from 1060 mm and banding heights from 1060 mm. The compact design, measuring 500 x 500 x 500 nm and weighing 30 kg, adds to its portability. The inclusion of double glue application enhances its efficiency, For woodworking enthusiasts or professionals looking for a reliable and efficient edge banding solution, the LIGANK edge banding machine is a commendable choice.